Good morning and welcome to Little Wiggles. I'm Miss Amanda. If you haven't had a chance to request our starter kit or additional sensory activities, go ahead and click the link that's posted along with this video. You'll receive a shaker egg, a dancing scarf, and also a resource guide. And then each theme for our story time also has a corresponding sensory activity that you can also request. So today's theme is snowmen, snowflakes, and smiles. So this is a really fun winter-themed story time, and I'm so excited that you're going to join me. We're going to start with a song that we start every story time with called Hello Friends, and you'll need to know a little bit of sign language before we begin. So for hello, we're going to say hello with a salute, and then for friends, we're going to alternate, cross our fingers and alternate to say friends. We're going to do this 3 times. You're going to say hello, friends. And then one more time, hello, friends. And then we're going to change it up. And we're going to say it's time. And point to our watch. We're going to point to our chin twice to say. And then another salute with hello. All right, so from the top, that's hello, friends. Hello, friends. Hello, friends, and then it's time to say hello. Okay, so let's do that with the music and I'll sing along. Parents can sing along with me if you'd like. This is the same song that we'll do every time, so it's a good one to learn. It goes a little bit something like this. Hello, friends. Hello, friends. Hello, friends. It's time to say hello. So let's do that one more time. From the top, it's hello, friends. Hello, friends. Hello, friends. It's time to say hello. Very good. So hello to you. Welcome. And we're going to start today with a fun activity, a song that you can do with your dancing scarf. So come on and stand up and join me, and I will play us a little tune called Dance Around the Snowman. So I have my ukulele here. We'll get started. This is the way we dance around, dance around, dance around. This is the way we dance around our snowman in the morning. This is the way we skip around, skip around, skip around. This is the way we skip around our snowman in the morning. This is the way we twirl around, twirl around, twirl around. This is the way we twirl around our snowman in the morning. This is the way we hop around, hop around, hop around. This is the way we hop around our snowman the morning. This is the way we spin around, spin around, spin around. This is the way we spin around our snowman in the morning. Very good. Okay, so go ahead and take a seat and we will listen to our first story. This one is a super cute story called I See Winter. And you can request this one via curbside pickup if you'd like, and you can read it to your child. So it goes like this. I see snowflakes passing by. I see gray geese in the sky. I see shadows on the hill. I see frost upon the sill. I see boots and hats brand new. I see mittens red and blue. I see sleds and pairs of skates. I see icy figure eights. I see snowmen in a row. I see angels in the snow. I see trees without their leaves. I see smoke rings ride the breeze. I see cookies on a plate. I see Grandma decorate. I see cocoa in a cup. I see Grandpa sip it up. I see people in a choir. I see stockings by the fire. I see lights upon the tree. I see a present wrapped for me. And that's our story. This was I See Winter, and you can request that through our catalog for curbside pickup. So our next activity is going to use some flannel snowmen. This one is super cute, so we'll put our little snowman out. Just like that. Okay, and our story goes like this. 5 little snowmen standing in a row, standing straight and tall in the deep, cold snow. Out came the sun, shining bright and hot all day, and one little snowman melted away. So we have 5, and now we're going to have 4. 4 little snowmen standing in a row, standing straight and tall in the deep, cold snow. Out came the sun, shining bright and hot all day, and one little snowman melted away. So we're going to go from 4 to 3. Take one more off our board. 3 little snowmen standing in a row, standing straight and tall in the deep, cold snow. Out came the sun, shining bright and hot all day, and one little snowman melted away. Take one more off our board, and now we have 2. 2 little snowmen standing in a row, standing straight and tall in the deep, cold snow. Out came the sun, shining bright and hot all day, and one little snowman melted away. So we're going to go from 2 to 1 snowman. We have 1 left. 1 little snowman standing in a row, standing straight and tall in the deep, cold snow. Out came the sun, shining bright and hot all day, and that last little snowman melted away. And that's our story. So I have one last story for us, and this is If Snowflakes Tasted Like Fruitcake. This is kind of a silly story. I love this one. If snowflakes tasted like sugar plums, they'd be dancing in my head. If snowflakes tasted like oatmeal, they would get me out of bed. If snowflakes tasted like honey, then we wouldn't need the bees. If snowflakes tasted like plump figs, I would shake them off the trees. If snowflakes tasted like cocoa, they would warm me to my toes. If snowflakes tasted like whipped cream, they would tickle me on my nose. If snowflakes tasted like chestnuts, I would roast them by the fire. If snowflakes tasted like gingerbread, I would make a cookie choir. If snowflakes tasted like popcorn, I would string them all together. If snowflakes tasted like marshmallows, they'd be lighter than a feather. If snowflakes tasted like apples, I would bake them in a pie. If snowflakes tasted like peppermint, I'd wish more fell from the sky. If snowflakes tasted like gumdrops, the roof is where I'd stay. If snowflakes tasted like fruitcake, we would give them all away. If snowflakes tasted like noodle soup, I would slurp them just for fun. But snowflakes taste like winter, so I'll catch them on my tongue. And that's our story. And this is if snowflakes tasted like fruitcake. You can also request this one for curbside pickup. And we're going to end today with Goodbye Friends, the same tune that we used before and we'll use every time. So we're just going to swap out hello for goodbye. And goodbye is just simply a wave. And then we'll do friends again. And goodbye friends. We'll do this 3 times again. Goodbye friends. And then it's time, or point to our watch, to say our chin twice, and then we'll wave goodbye. All right, so we'll sing this one, and it's gonna go something like this. Goodbye, friends. Goodbye, friends. Goodbye, friends. It's time to say goodbye. So we'll do that one more time. Goodbye, friends. Goodbye, friends. Goodbye, friends. It's time to say goodbye. So I hope to see you in the new year. Until then, have a wonderful holiday.